The Sony Xperia 5 is simple with a flat design, making it easy to use. Enjoy the super bright 6.1-inch OLED Full HD Plus display of the Xperia 5 and take advantage of the 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling in games and while navigating through menus. The performance boasts a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, which has extraordinary access to AI. This built-in feature allows for a vast increase in battery efficiency. New generation Xma T mobile sensors capture more light, bringing more detail and beautiful vivid colors in any situation, including at night with low light conditions. Every image looks perfect in any situation due to the remarkable AI, which automatically analyzes and adjusts focus, exposure, and more, taking full advantage of the Zeiss optics. Music sounds better with the front stage speakers, with the addition of numerous technologies to enhance the audio experience. Concerning protection, a little bit of water should never be an issue, with the Sony Xperia 5 being IP65 and 68 rated. This protection is also against dust and water, meaning you can go anywhere with the phone. The 5000 mAh battery gives you a full day of usage between charges, with adaptive charging ensuring it will stay healthy for up to 3 years. Qi wireless charging is also an option if you wanted to go wireless. The Sony Xperia 5 is available to purchase now from the Clove Technology website.